Bas bibla anaka nimeiva ile tu for real. Oh my god, kuna parking fee. Hi.
Welcome to our Emotion Live 2025.
Nice and confident. I look delicious. I smell delicious too. Oh God. Let me fix myself something to eat. What's up, lovelies? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who are new here, I'm Dirty, aka Princess D, aka Boss Babe. Boss Babe la anaka nimeiva ile tu for real. Oh my god. Wacha nionyeshe fit yangu. I love the hat. Nenda AIMchella. I'm very excited for that show, by the way. Hi, babies! Hawa kazi zangu.
Twendeni. Nenda na nani ama nenda peke yangu? Kwani napotea na nishai kuja huku akishwali. Shwali.
Anyway, I think nimefika. I think.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh my god, kuna parking fee. Oh my god. Hi. 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 So, oh my god. Alamu msalime. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Sometimes opposites attract, but it never lasts. So maybe it was just the right thing running up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you'd ever leave my head. What could I have done? Could I have said I'm
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Emotion Live 2025.
Different in style, different in presence, different in story, but when the worlds collide, my guys, it is electric.
I've been dreaming of a lion for a long time. I had a vision. gentlemen, at Emotion Live 2025. Thank you and good night.
That show was epic. Hi there, my lovely people. I am at the chocolate room. I'm here to meet up with a friend of mine. He's shooting something. Don't know where he is. It's Gideon. Naongea na watu wangu wa YouTube. Kianguka nimesahau kubeba nini? The custard.
Nimekuwa tu nikiangalia hizi vitu.
Unakuanga na baba?
Hapana, but nimeona kuna kitu hapa.
Uko na taxi?
Niliacha. So niliambia nipeleke.
Nilisahau hadi yangu because hii itaisha moto haraka. So the best to do is advertise maybe the dessert instead of food.
Oh. Nakakumo invite.
Our fruit shakes are here.
Najua hizi wana difference but kuna difference.
Like this is a good thumbnail.
Ndio hiyo thumbnail nyingine. Options.
I love mine better. We are debating on which one is better. I don't think that one is. One is on.
Freaky waffle shake.
Mine is wild chocolate. Indulgence. Yes. You indulge in it.
Watch it so
it's actually nice.
For everyone who doesn't like sugar a lot, it's very sugary.
I don't like sugar and I like it. Asikudanganya. Misipendangi sukari. It comes with a side of apple.
Very waffle. Even cut it like but for sure.
You want waffle is not this cakey.
It is kind of cakey.
I don't like the chocolate syrup. You want me to
Nakaka out of bread. Caramel.
Hata kamera yangu inaisha moto. So after this we'll be heading home.
Leo tumekuja.
Hata to catch up kidogo without you guys peeping on us.
Bye.
Hey loves, I wanted to show you something that I've just purchased right now, and it's something that's going to make my life easier. Here it is. It's a makeup brush cleaner. Right now I'm back to like doing full-on makeup on myself. I think always waiting for the right time to wash my brushes just gets to my head and I end up not washing them, which makes me not do my makeup because now I feel like the brushes are too dirty. I can't do that to my beautiful skin that we have worked on for half of a year now. And yeah, so here it is. I think it comes hivi tu, ina maneno mingi, just showing paper. This is a box, doesn't have anything else. So this is it. So I think I'll just read the instructions so that I can see how it works. I don't know what this is for, but what I've seen in the videos is I plug it in and then the brushes go in here and then they just do the magic. Now, why do they have like everything right now that I buy? I'm guessing it's a China thing. I don't know. Everything I'm buying, sai nakuja na hii ka nini, USB cable. Just give me a good nini extension cable. Yeah. Anyway, I want to put it to the test right now, so I'm going to show you guys. Let me just rearrange it and then I show you how it works. I usually use the Dove body wash to wash my brushes. I'm usually like, if it's good enough for my body, it's good enough for my brushes. So just a little bit, I think, and then it will do the magic. I think hata nimeka mingi. So yeah, sijika ni wengine pia mfanya hivyo, lakini if you do, please let me know so that I know I'm not alone. I used to use hand soap, of which was also good, but I feel like the Dove smells nice, so it leaves my brushes smelling nicely. Nimeka hapo kitu. Hi. The brushes are lost. So I think I insert them like this. So that's how it's working. And then all I have to do is just leave it there for like a few minutes and then like rinse it. But I bet I can rinse them there, but it's just easier to now rinse and then dry. Hey babies, I hope you guys are doing fine. I am okay. This week I've been doing my maintenance. So these are my current nails. I'm obsessed. My nail tech eats. When I take, she eats. And then the hair. Now I have a problem. Yes. Nishamaliza kidogo tu. I have a problem. This hair, I shiki hit the way it's supposed to. And yesterday, nilikuwa nimewekewa curls. So after fluffing them out, this is how it turned out. So what I want to do today, I'm going to straighten it out just to keep it straight. Let's just keep it bone straight. Okay. And then also, I did my lashes yesterday. So my outfit for today is, so I'm just in like, and just black sandals. My scent of the day, today we are in this and this. I feel nice and confident. Wacha tutoke because Ashley ashaanza kuteta. I just wanted to like give you guys a heads up of where we are as of now. So yeah, let's go fix this hair. It's actually a mess. We fix the toenails and then we go fix our face. I think I'll add a chain. I try to buy a chain. Okay. Oh, here's the chain. Need bracelet. This is the chain that I'm speaking of. Ay! Kofia yangu! My loves, I feel like this look needs like a layer of chains. Sina. Tended.
So today, it's maintenance day!
Actually, don't talk on you about this early, but anyway, I'll get things done. Mapema.
Sishangae mbona nakaa vizuri hivi. I look delicious. I smell delicious too.
But tunaenda like siblings day. Tunaenda kuwatch nini?
Demon Slayer.
Demon Slayer. Inasikana.
Hi.
Hata mimi siblings.
We're going for a movie.
What movie
Demon
are we going to watch?
Slayer.
Wewe sasa hata ajui. Yeah, vijana alalilia.
But ni mzuri kwa mtu kama sisi wenye hatujui because tunaenda kuwa thrilled. You all mko na story.
And him hata wajua anaenda kuwatch nini?
Demon Slayer.
Hao wamebebwa tu for the outing. Wanataka tu kwenda kukula nje.
Shouldn't rush things, you know I know that. But it's kinda hard when it's something that I want so bad. I'm second guessing what I was sure of. You're secretly inside of dying, emotionally violent. So tell me what the hell am I doing? I don't know.
Worth it. Worth it. Yo. I can't even express it. Oh, shit.
Hi lovely people, I'm super exhausted, but we need to work. Whenever you see this shirt, I have a setup to do, and today is we have a proposal. I don't know why I'm tired. All of a sudden my energies are so low, yet I've just woken up, tidied up the kitchen, and started packing for the setup, and I'm done. I'm just waiting for a few things, and then I head out to the location. And I'm really tired. What is this energy? Sawa, I'm already done. Nataka kutoka. Oh god. Let me fix myself something to eat, and then we can chat as we go, right? I managed to boost my energy. I was actually hungry. I don't know if I mentioned to you guys that I was planning to rent our B&B now full time. So yeah, today is move day. I found a client who's willing to rent it out empty. So here it is. We're moving. Just don't ask. I am not selling anything, just in case I decide to get back to this B&B thing, but I'm really tired. It's a bit hectic. It's good, but I feel like renting is much easier for the place. All the things in here, mama shaplania because amesema nipeleke ushago atazitumia huko. So it is a nice place. I wish I created more content here, but it's a bit too far from where we stay, so kuja huku ilikuwa too hectic because then I have to carry all my clothes. I have to I don't know how do you guys do it? Like, how do you guys pack for shoot day? And if you're shooting from a different location from where everything of yours is, how do you guys do that? Nishajichafua. Anyway, I have people helping me out move. And then I've already found a client who's willing to pay the rent for here. So we're just clearing things and then maybe settle things with her. Yep. Everything is clear. Such a cute space. I'm really going to like miss being around here and whatnot. So all that has remained is cleaning, and then we'll do paint. We'll repaint the house so that it looks decent for our tenant. So yeah, bye. I'm at the event. I wanna set up, so I'll take you guys through the process of how I do everything. Let me just carry something and then we can talk. Hi there, lovely people. I hope you guys are doing okay. I, for one, am really tired. This week has been physically, mentally, and emotionally draining for me. I have been up and down literally every day of this week. If this last quarter means grinding this much, yo, I'm just a girl and I'm hustling like a construction worker. I just saw that meme somewhere and I relate to it 100%. Anyway, today we have our blonde brows. I was shooting some content for what? For my Instagram page. I really hope you guys see my content. Though of late I have been very lazy, but I haven't been active on Instagram, and I want to change that. Also, I think I'll take a little break from constant vlogging right now because I have been vlogging over and over again, and I am not taking a break to actually sit down and edit my footages. So I have a lot of footages that is piling and piling, and in the end I know myself, so I might just get bored and tired and actually delete all of them. And this year we are not doing that because that's what I've been doing for the past years. I start and then I continue vlogging, but now it becomes too draining to edit, to a point where by now I become exhausted, I become bored with the footages and actually delete them permanently. So we're not doing that. So I'll take a break from this continuous vlogging because also I'm having issues with my space. My storage is dying. Let me just show you the context of what I mean. I have an iPhone 12 and an iPhone 11, and both of these gadgets are full. I haven't been using my camera that much, my big camera that much, because of the bulkiness. I just prefer the DJI, and also the DJI is almost full. So I really need to sort out my footages. I really need to do those separation of footages so that I can upload the rest. The ones that need to be uploaded, I need to edit and upload them. Yeah, apart from that, I wanted to come and close off this video and say thank you for watching this far, and also engaging with my content, be it Instagram, TikTok, and on this Thread app. I appreciate it, and I'm not taking anything for granted, and I really hope that we continue vlogging and we continue gaining our subscribers. So if you're not subscribed, bombastic side eye. With all that said and done, as I always say, don't forget to be kind to one another, because kindness does not cost a thing. Bye.